Our camera's over there today. There it is. Welcome to Feet to Betty. My name is Morgan, and this is
Sullivan.
And this is
It's Mimi.
Today Mimi is going to show us how to make her famous Christmas rolls. Can you tell me about this recipe?
Okay.
This recipe was handed to me by my mom. She used to make them all of the time. And she didn't just make them at holidays. She made them to make dinner go farther. Bread always made the meal go farther.
It extended it.
But we could always count on them after we didn't have people living with us. We could always count on Mom making them for the holidays. She hand wrote this recipe out, and I've cherished it for many years. Every time I make it, I think of my mom.
That's awesome.
And so it's really special to me. I'll hand it down to whoever wants to make them after I'm not here, but I sure hope somebody picks up the tradition in the future. So I usually make some for my house and for the extended family's house. So everybody loves
So you have
the
to,
rolls. You have to make enough.
Yeah, when I called her, I was like, do you know how to half this recipe? Because you don't have to make a lot for the video. And she said, no, I do not know how to half it. I know how to triple it and quadruple it, but not half it. So we're making the full recipe today. How do we start?
Okay, we start off with our yeast. So Mom always said, take your yeast and mix it with the water.
And do the
Water.
Yep. And then we gotta stir it up.
Can you smell
So
it?
we stir it. It smell good?
Mm-hmm.
Can you put the salt in?
Dump it in.
Good job, Sullivan. And then we need sugar.
Ooh, sugar. I like to eat it all up.
Good job.
I put it all up. You put it all.
We get that stirred up, and then we put in oil.
Can put.
Can you stir that? Try to keep it in the bowl.
Don't go too crazy.
Well,
Whoa,
you
whoa,
keep it in the bowl.
Okay, Mimi. Okay, Mama.
What do we do next?
What do you think?
I think we could do some milk.
Okay, ready? Let's pour it in. What do we
What's
need?
our last ingredient?
What's this?
Wow.
Yeah.
Now, Grandma's recipe, my mom, says put it in about a cup at a time. I usually do it in about 3.
So we're going to do a little bit at a time, not all of it. I'm going to stir it up. Now, have you ever done this with a mixer before?
Never.
Never? Okay.
Never. Mom didn't say use a mixer,
Sure, so we don't
everything's
use
done
a
by
mixer.
hand. I've always followed the instructions.
Yeah, why change it? You know, it's a good thing.
Now we need some more flour.
Shake,
Thanks,
shake,
Mom.
shake.
You're doing such a great job, Sullivan. So I just let it get wet, and then I put in the rest of it.
Pour it all in.
Now we gotta really stir,
You're
Sullivan.
going to have to work really hard now. Use those strong muscles. Can you show me your muscles?
I got muscles. You got muscles?
Big and strong.
Oh, good job.
Okay, that's mine.
Okay, your turn. Okay.
Keep it in the bowl.
Keep it in the bowl.
I did it.
You did it. One day, you'll make these.
Yeah, maybe you're the one that's going to get passed down too. We should be.
All the sisters wanted to know how to make these rolls one time.
Yeah.
So we all gathered at one person's house, and everybody made their own pan of rolls.
Oh gosh, that's a lot of rolls.
It was. I have 4 sisters.
Yeah.
So nobody else had ever made the rolls. So
Yeah. So you were teaching a class.
yes, I kind of taught a class.
It's getting nice and sticky.
No.
It looks like dough. Looks like it's pretty mixed up.
Be the roll of a ball.
And then we have to let it rise. Mom would always help it rise by putting a hot towel around it. I cheat. I put it in the microwave.
Yeah, that's a
I
great
heat
trick.
up my towel and I wrap it up.
She's getting a hot towel out of the microwave.
A nice hot towel.
Oh, it's steaming.
And we wrap it around the bowl.
That's great. This is a trick I will be adapting to lots of my bread recipes now.
Once it sits for an hour, it'll raise, and then we'll take it out of the bowl, we'll knead it, roll it out, and then we'll start our cutting out of the rolls. But the next step, we have to wait an hour. Look at the dough!
Wow.
So now after an hour, we just take the towel off and put a little flour on the top of the dough. We put it on our counter Spread it all out so it doesn't stick. Put my little cutter.
Round cutter.
Now, when Mom used to make these, it was whatever jar, you know, it would have been a juice jar, or it could have been a glass cup.
Yeah, my grandma used a glass too.
Yeah. Are we ready?
Are you ready to dump out the dough?
Yay!
Alright.
I'm gonna grab it. Ooh, it feels nice and fluffy. What does it feel like? Oh,
Does it taste good?
look at all the little air bubbles.
We'll put a little bit more flour on top. We gotta knead it first. Help me squish it.
Make it
How do you
nice and
squish it?
smooth.
Gotta get all those air bubbles out.
Now what are you looking for here?
Just until it feels good, like it's not so sticky. Got the air bubbles out. A couple minutes, I just knead it a little bit. Mom didn't give any instructions other than go ahead and knead it.
Just knead it, yeah.
So knead it. Knock out all the air bubbles. Okay, now roll it. Can you help me roll? Roll, roll, roll. About an 1/8 inch thick to how thick I usually roll them out to.
Okay. Mark it with a B and
Yeah.
then what? Put it in the oven for?
Baby and...
You can hear those air bubbles just like squeak out. Take out a cutter.
Put it.
Find the end and
There you go. We go swish,
Wiggle,
swish,
wiggle,
swish till we get it. Cut. Yeah. And then we'll do another one.
cut them all
I
first.
cut them all first.
Okay.
And I'll put a mark in it halfway through it. Oh,
Oh. Cut, cut, cut.
I usually get about 2 dozen, maybe up to 30, depending upon how it raises in that and how it rolls out.
Do you squish everything back together?
Yep. Once I get all these cut up, then I'll take the extra pieces away and then I'll roll up some more.
You're pulling out all the dough. Grab all the extra. Oh my goodness, no. Silly goose. You want to cut it? Help her cut the last.
Cut the last one. Oh, we go. There we go. Good job.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Grab all this.
Grab all this out. Maybe
What
I'll
we do
put
next?
some butter on it.
Just like about a teaspoon
Yeah, just, yeah.
on one half.
Sometimes if I use a stick, I'll take a slice of butter on a
Okay.
stick and then I'll cut it in half and then I'll put that in there. Then I just take it and I just fold it in half.
Fold it in here.
Fold it in half and set it on the pan.
A little hot dog bun.
Yeah. So then we'll just put some butter on all of them and then as we get the butter on them, we'll fold it in half.
Fold it up. They're already like rising and poofing as they're just sitting here.
You like it?
Yum!
Yum!
Just eating all the dough. She got one just for you.
But we have to eat.
We have to eat it. It's so soft.
Do you like it?
It's really, really yummy.
It's really, really yummy. You got the Sullivan seal of approval. Would you like another bite? They just fall apart. These are
They have
great.
that nice butter taste to them.
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
They're really good. We did a great job. Nice
Good
work.
job helping. Mm.
So good. Can you say thank you for watching?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you
You're
for being in this
welcome.
with me and showing me how to make these.
Awesome. My
Yeah.
pleasure.
This was a lot of fun. So we'll see you next time.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, buddy.
Okay, see ya.